Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving to the wide world of pottery with a twist, because guess what? I'm broke. So I got creative and picked up a microwave kiln. Yes, you heard that right. We are going to make pottery using a microwave. Let's see if we can make magic happen on a budget. Meet the microwave kiln. It's small, it's cute, and it probably will not explode. I ordered this microwave kiln from Amazon. It's originally made for making glass, and it's just like 2 pieces. It's very soft material. It feels like it's styrofoam, but it's not. I'm not sure what it's made of. I just hope it will work. If you wanna order this from Amazon and try it, just search microwave kiln. They are inexpensive. I bought it for I think 500 crown, which is like maybe $50 or 50 euro. I got this because I make small sculpture like this fish. I don't know if you can see it. And I'm hoping they fit inside here. So maybe we should try before we start. This is the biggest hand-built piece I make. And voila, it fits. The only problem, like how I make stand. Maybe we should not fire this one today. Let's start, see if this works. Before I start using the microwave kiln for making pieces, I want to experiment with it. I am not sure if it will work or if it will melt my pottery. Hopefully not. But yeah, I have here, I made pieces from 2 types of clay. This one is earthenware and this is a stoneware. The earthenware require a lower temperature. Stoneware need a higher temperature. I don't know. From my research, this thing reached 900, which is very low. It might work for the earthenware, but not the stoneware, but we will see. I also bought new glazes, low firing glazes, so I can use them with the microwave kiln. We need to experiment with those 2. Let's start. I am replacing the plate inside the microwave with this terracotta water catcher. I'm going to start this experiment with the bisque firing. Bisque firing is the first fire ceramic goes through. It's what turns clay to ceramic. I'm going to put 2 different types of clay to the microwave kiln and see if that's gonna work. I will start with 3 minutes. 3 minutes are over. It's not hot at all, so I don't think anything happened. Oh, it's hot on the inside. My blueberry explodes. I am going to return this to the microwave for another 3 minutes and hope it will not explode. I am also going to have this piece of ceramic here so I don't burn the table, because this table suffered enough from me. And we're gonna wait. Let's see if our other... It didn't explode. I think it's bisque now. It looked bisque to me. I can touch it. It changed color. It's not the same color like when it's raw. It started to get hot. It's not the same color, but I think I will put it 3 more minutes just to see like what 9 minutes can do. let's hope it will not explode. It's not glowing like they say it will. I would like to try this again. Like I would just put it there and use heat from the previous firing. I don't know if that will work. Could it be like wet in the middle? We will find out. It might be too thick. Let's risk another one. I am determined to find out why. It's rolling. I think this time I will just set the timer for a minute. Or 30 seconds. Let's start with 30 seconds and see if it's gonna explode. If it explodes, that means it's wet in the middle and we need to wait until it dry. Oh no! I heard the sound. I heard the sound. I think it explodes. It explodes. I have a thicker piece that I made with stoneware. I don't know if I want to sacrifice it. Well, let's sacrifice for the science. I made this cute cat from stoneware and I'm gonna test it and see if it's gonna explode. I hope not. So be safe, don't explode. I will do half a second for this to start with because I really don't want it to explode. I'm very nervous. I don't want it to explode. Let's now test it in a proper way. Yes! Yes! It didn't explode! It's safe and sound. I don't know if it's Bisque, but I wanna give it a break. And I'm going to try those normal shapes. Now I will wait until this cools down and then we will continue with the glazing. I'm optimistic. As I mentioned before, I bought 3 different glazes. One transparent, blue, and pink. They are low firing glazes from a brand called Speedball. So let's try. It was sunny and extremely hot outside, and suddenly it started to rain. Good morning. It's the next day and it's very cloudy and I think it's gonna rain, but I'm going to risk it. I can't wait a whole week to try this. I'm too excited for that. Now this is the real test. Like, will the microwave kiln be hot enough to melt the glaze? We will find out. So it started to rain again. And I went inside, but anyway, the experiment did not work. As you can see, the glaze did not melt. It's not supposed to be like matte like this. I don't know. I thought that it might be the extension cord, so I moved the microwave to a real outlet. I even tried my microwave, which you should not do. I tried to have it in the microwave for longer and longer time. I moved from 5 minutes to 10 minutes to 15 to even 20. That did not work. So I think this experiment has failed, and
just when she was about to give up,
I really wanted it to work.
she saw the light at the end of the tunnel.
It worked. It worked. I'm losing it. I know I should not be firing it inside my home, but I can't. It worked! Turned out it's not the microwave, it's not the microwave kiln, and it's not the extension cord. It's actually how much time you should leave it in the microwave. And all YouTube videos I saw and all the review posts I saw, they say 5 to 10 minutes. Not true. I had to leave it 30 minutes in the microwave to melt the glaze. And now it looks awesome. I don't know if you can see it on camera. It focuses on my face, don't focus on my face. The glaze melted and it turned pink and glossy. So let's move to the main event. We are inside again. The weather is very weird. It's like all 4 seasons in one day. Anyway, to answer our main question, does the microwave kiln work? The answer is yes, it does. Depends on your kiln. So it's 10 minutes for bisque firing, 30 minutes for glaze firing, without an extension cord. And then you need to let it cool down for 20 to 30 minutes to get like the real color. I'm very happy with the outcome and I'm very happy that I tried it and very excited for many tries to come. So stay tuned.
Subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.